Ever pondered the magic behind creating tangible, three-dimensional objects from a digital file? Welcome to the world of 3D printing, a realm where imagination takes physical form. Consider a hot glue gun, meticulously drawing an image layer by layer. That's essentially a crude analogy of how 3D printing works. Now, let's unravel this fascinating process layer by layer. First, the genesis of every 3D printed object is in its blueprint. It begins with a concept, a design, or an idea. This idea then materializes into a digital 3D model using computer-aided design software, popularly known as CAD. This software allows you to sculpt and tweak your design until it's just right. Remember, a well-structured design is the cornerstone of a successful 3D print. Once you've perfected your design, the next step is slicing. But hold on, we're not talking about slicing like a chef with a knife. In the 3D printing world, slicing is the process of dividing your 3D model into hundreds or even thousands of horizontal layers. This is done using slicing software, which converts the model into a language that the 3D printer can understand. Now onto the real action. The 3D printer, like an artist, painstakingly constructs your design layer by layer. The printer head moves along the X, Y, and Z axes, depositing material according to the sliced blueprint. The material, often a type of plastic, comes in thin strands called filaments. As the filament passes through the heated printer head, it melts and is deposited onto the build platform where it quickly cools and solidifies. This process continues, one layer at a time, until your 3D model emerges, fully formed and tangible. It's like watching a creature slowly come to life, a testament to technological marvel. But wait, we're not done yet. After the print is complete, it often requires some post-processing. This could include removing support structures, sanding rough edges, or even painting the object to give it a polished, finished look. So let's recap the journey we have just taken. It begins with an idea, which evolves into a digital 3D model using CAD software. This model is then sliced into layers, translated into a language the 3D printer can understand. The printer then constructs the model, layer by layer, using a heated filament. Finally, the printed object may require some post-processing to achieve a polished finish. In essence, 3D printing is a symphony of design, technology, and creativity. It's a process that transforms a simple idea into a tangible reality, one layer at a time. It's a vibrant testament to the human imagination and our relentless pursuit of innovation. So the next time you hold a 3D printed object, remember the journey it's taken from an abstract idea to the tangible form in your hand. And that, dear listeners, is the magic of 3D printing. The power to create, to innovate, and to transform the abstract into the tangible, a power that's now quite literally at our fingertips.